Stock Watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by .net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Monday, January 29th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, the indices finished in split fashion Friday as investors juggled mixed corporate news, surging oil prices, and the growing likelihood that the Fed might not cut rates at all this year. Before the market opened, the belief that Thursday's sell-off may have been an overreaction, especially on the heels of Microsoft's solid quarter last night, along with fellow Dow component Caterpillar issuing upside 2007 sales guidance, helped to improve the underlying tone. Microsoft's solid quarter helped renew confidence in technology's growth prospects as bargain hunters jumped back into the beaten-down chip stocks. Nonetheless, tech only recovering a fraction of the 1% it endured a day earlier was only enough to help the Nasdaq limp into the close with a paltry gain. Aside from the inability to take a more convincing tech recovery into the weekend, growing uncertainty as to which way and when policymakers will fine-tune monetary policy also weighed on investors' minds. At 8:30 Eastern Time, the market digested a report that showed that underlying business investment trends are picking up after a few soft months. Durable goods orders jumped 3.1% in December, ex-transportation orders posted their first increase since September, and non-defense orders, or ex-trans, rebounded after a few months of decline. At the end of the day, though, the market simply looked tired following a week of choppy trading conditions. In fact, had reports of a possible alliance between Countrywide Financial and Bank of America not surfaced late in the day to turn around the influential financial sector, the Dow and S&P 500 would have lost even more ground. On a positive note, though, the market's resilience in the face of a 2.2% surge in oil prices was commendable, especially since the energy sector, failing to take full advantage, did not position its leadership as the offset it has been of late when crude prices climb. In our small cap news, the movers and shakers QualityStocks will be keeping an eye on this week. Sea Containers Limited, or SCRA, was first highlighted this month on January 4th when it was charting at 80 cents, up 48% at $1.19 a share, with over 1.5 million shares trading. Continuing its momentum, Sea Containers closed Friday at $1.56 a share. Sea Containers provides passenger and freight transport and marine container leasing. Segments of the organization provide passenger and freight ferry services. The company also owns a commuter ferry service operating in New York Harbor and a 50% interest in a ferry service in the Adriatic Sea. The company also has a rail segment offering passenger rail transport services through Great Northeastern Railway in Great Britain between London and Scotland. American Security Resources Corporation, or ARSC, was highlighted in this month on the 23rd after the announcement that they are in the process of developing a technology to formulate hydrogen that will change the economics of producing hydrogen sufficient to enable the hydrogen economy. The current cost of producing a kilogram of hydrogen was around $7 to $8. Using the new technology, however, the cost of producing hydrogen could drop below $2 per kilogram, which is the DOE threshold, to make hydrogen competitive with established energy resources. American Securities starts this week up 48%, or 7 cents a share, with over 4.5 million shares traded by Friday's close. Now, Intelligentius Incorporated announced this month that they will be changing their ticker symbol to ITLI effective immediately. Intelligentius changed its name from Merchandise Creation in December 2006, previously traded on the Nasdaq OTCBB using the symbol MCCN. Intelligentius Incorporated is one of the most dynamic and fastest-growing companies in the homeland security sector. Intelligentius markets its homeland security software to law enforcement agencies, telcos, and ISPs all over the world. The software allows customers to locate and prosecute terrorists and criminals and to stay in compliance with federal legislation and directives. Investigatia Incorporated, launching in 2007, is their data investigation company. Investigatia intends to focus on fraud, identity theft, identity authentication, and verification. Interceptia Incorporated, additionally launching in 2007, is the company's lawful intercept company. Interceptia intends to focus on legal interception of telecommunications by law enforcement authorities, or LEAs, and intelligence services. Intelligentius starts their week trading at even $1 a share. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to look for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter, available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. We'll see you here tomorrow on the Daily Report. Have a great day.
This transmission is coming to you. You've got it.